students. Welcome to yet another episode of In Industry Prepared. Today we have with us Ms. Shruti Padwar. She is the HR executive from IDBI India. Welcome, ma'am. Great to have you here.
Yeah.
Ma'am, tell me what are the various job roles that IDBI Intech is having? If you could just let us know.
IDBI Intech is actually an IT subsidiary of IDBI Bank. So here we have the highways into two parts. So one is the non-IT and one is the IT. So being an IT company, we have majority of our openings which is into IT. First, talking about the non-IT openings, we have an n number of ongoing openings for call centers. So we currently also have one placement for call center openings, which is for non-IT. So here we are looking for freshers who want to start their career into banking side. So it's not just like a target-based job. Students who have basic communication knowledge can also apply here as well. And in non-IT, there is only we are looking for candidates who are nearby Navi Mumbai, as it is a shift-based job, so candidates can apply for the same. For IT side, we have openings into data center. We have our own data center, which is there in Navi Mumbai, Belapur itself. And also we have into Java, .NET, then also in IT operations, support roles for DR roles and all. So if you want to know more about the openings, we have our portal, career portal, which is on IDBI Bank. So you can visit the IDBI Intech website and you'll get the career portal. It's suggested for the students that they can check each and every company portals, so they'll get majority of the information, updates, live updates about the openings onto the website itself.
Okay. So that's a takeaway for the students that please apply on the portal. That makes a lot of difference rather than going individually, separately, all through the college. Uh, every company has their own selection way, and that is what IDBI prefers. That through the portal, if you apply, it's going to make a difference. Ma'am, you mentioned about all these roles. So let's suppose if a student is getting selected in a call center. So what type of lateral shifting is available for that
So
person?
if you're talking mainly about call center, there is a shift basis on the basis of rosters. So this depends on the like the inbound or outbound if he is getting the project into. But talking about IT side, so this shift is based on the requirement. If he is doing into a night shift type of an application support type of profile, then will get night shift that is based on DR drill activities which are there in the organization. Rather than it is a standard shift which is from the official hours of the office.
Okay. So, if the person doing a call center job wants to move into some other general role, can
We do have internal shift policy also.
Okay.
So there are IT people. See, I have an examples in our own organization. There are n number of people who had joined and started their career into call center. They have done it in a phase and they got to know because we give 2 months training, which is financial based training for call center guys. So this is a training for 2 months, so they get to know in and out about that. So they are now working in IT support or DC departments of our own organization, or a different organization out there.
What was DC, ma'am?
DC is data center. The data of all the bank accounts and all is stored in it.
Okay.
So it is a very crucial part for a bank and IT people.
Okay. So, ma'am, we spoke about all these roles. So, if you have to generalize the skills that are required for freshers, what would be those skills upon?
According to me, a fresher is only looked for two types, that is his attitude and his skills. His attitude is that the person should be adaptable, he needs to have the willing to learn. Because once he's on a table at the recruiter side, I only look for his attitude and his willingness to learn. And the second is the skills. If he is a non-IT guy, he needs to have good communication skills. If he is an IT guy, he should have skills related to whatever opening he is applying for example, it is a Java or it's a .NET, he needs to at least have the basic knowledge of the skills which is there. Rest all, as a fresher, everyone needs to be trained. So there is a training, pure on-the-job training given to each and every student.
And what would be the selection process for ITCS students?
See, ITCA students, we have an aptitude test which is given. So it's a basic logical reasoning test. So once you qualify those tests, I'm doing an managerial technical round of interview. So it is a round wherein they are judged on the technical as well as a soft skill basis training. Because according to the technical skills, also they need to know basic of English because in corporates people need to draft the letters. so that they need to have a basic English communications knowledge.
Fine. That was a great insight. And thank you so much, Shruti, for coming and being with us on this
Thank you
episode.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you, students.